Hello, this is Peter with Pacifico Properties. Take a look at some of these before and after examples showing the dramatic results and potential property equity realized when properly removing overgrowth. I was happy with myself on this one as I expertly placed the top of this tree on the existing fire pile. Check out this awesome equipment, our John Deere 5-ton excavator, equipped with the revolutionary Dipper Fox Stump Crusher. Can grind stumps and roots in minutes. We can remove stumps from locations that other stump grinders are unable to safely access. A free quote can be scheduled from the link in the comments or description. Looking forward to seeing you.